Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Samsung Soundbar S60D. This soundbar will help you to enjoy great sound, room-filling bars. S60D is new and uses AI optimized adaptive sound. 7 speakers including a center speaker with active voice amplifier for crystal clear dialogue and built-in woofer for precise bass. The simple to use wall mount kit included. Connection: you can connect this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi network or Airplay and take control using simple one remote control or with Alexa built-in. Alexa requires the free SmartThings, music mode and Wireless Dolby Atmos too, making it true versatile soundbar. Plus Samsung Q-Symphony work with compatible Samsung TV, allow the TV and soundbar to work in harmony for true immersive experience. This soundbar is 200 watts, 3D sound technology, project sound over and around you, making for an immersive experience. Dolby sound technology, DTS technology, 5-channel within the system, built-in active amplifier. Connectivity: you have option for optical audio port, 1 HDMI port, not 3.5 line incompatible, Bluetooth enable and Wi-Fi compatibility. Smart features: wireless stream music, voice control, power consumption 31 watts, auto power off, sleek black finish, elegant black design, seamlessly blend with your home entertainment setup and enhance any of the room. Voice control with Alexa. Integrated Amazon Alexa allow you to control the soundbar and stream music, adjust setting and more using simple voice command. Compact all-in-one design, combine multiple speakers in a single sleek unit, reducing cluster and delivering robust audio performance. This soundbar, we're going to check it out, see what is inside. This is the information pack, power cable, 3-pin power cable, remote control. This is part of the power cable as well. AAA battery and wall mount included, an information pack. This is heavy. There we go. See what it looks like. It's plastic. It's written Samsung on top of it. This button is multi-function button. This button is for you to decrease the volume. This button, the plus, is for you to increase the volume. This button is mic on and off button. So if you press this button in a standby mode, press the multi button to turn the soundbar on. Press the multi button to change the mode. And the ports are DC 19 volt. The power cable goes here and USB. This is service. Optical and HDMI ports are on this end. Now to set this up, you take the power cable, connect it to this end, push it in to this adapter, push it inside, then take this end of the cable, go to the back of this soundbar and connect it to DC in and this in. Then connect the cable to the socket, take the remote control, so this is the remote control. Push it down, the cover. The batteries, negative goes on the top. On the right side, the negative goes to the top and the positive on the bottom one. Then on the left side, positive on the top and negative on the bottom. Then you close it, slide the cover back up. To measure this soundbar from this end to this end, 670 millimeter. Width, diameter is 105 millimeter. And height is 62 millimeter. Switch the soundbar on. Light is highlighting here. You can see the blue color. Now select Bluetooth.
Ready to connect via Bluetooth.
Ready to connect via Bluetooth. Go to your laptop settings, switch Bluetooth on, then add a device, select Bluetooth. Now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. X series soundbar audio, select on it and it's connected. Once it's connected, you hear a noise, then select done. Samsung S series soundbar is connected. We're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. This remote control, you press this button is for you to switch the soundbar on and off. This button is input. You select input for you to change it to optical or HDMI. This button is Bluetooth. If you select this, it will go to Bluetooth pairing for you to connect it to Bluetooth. This button is pause and play. If you select it, the music will stop. If you select it again, the music will start. You have directional up and down, directional movement. You have this button is mute. If you select it, it will stop the music. If you place it again, the music will start. You have sound mode. When pressing the button, you can select the desired audio mode, white, blank. So you can select adaptive, sound, DTS, visual S, music, game, and standard by selecting the sound mode. This button is information. Press this button to display the information about the current function. Plus is for you to increase the volume. Down, minus is for you to decrease the volume for the soundbar. You also have subwoofer. If you push it up, you increase the subwoofer. If you push it down, decrease the subwoofer. You also have channel level. By pressing the button, you can adjust the volume of each speaker. So if you press the channel level, you can adjust the volume of each speaker. By pressing the button, you can adjust the volume of each speaker from center level to right level by pressing the channel level. Then sound control. By pressing the button, you can set the audio function. The desired setting can be adjusted using up and down. So if you select sound mode, space fit sound, active voice amplifier, voice enhancement, night mode, sync, and visual. So if you select this sound mode, then use up and down to select the desired tone control. If you select tone control, by pressing the button, you can adjust the volume of the treble or bass. The desired item can be adjusted using up and down. So if you select tone control, then use up and down to adjust. You have option for you to go to treble and bass, then use up and down to adjust it accordingly. So this is the function of the remote control. This soundbar, I'm happy with it. It deserves your attention. Thank you.